Hey guys, I hope everybody's having a fantastic day. Whether you're watching this in the morning, in the afternoon, or in the evening, I'm just glad you're here. I want to take a quick second and say thank you to all the channel members. Thank you, thank you. I appreciate each and every one of you. And I want to take a second to say thank you to anyone who just comes in to watch my knife and EDC content. I really appreciate it. If you're so inclined and you hadn't had a chance yet, please hit that subscribe button and that bell notification icon down there. It really does help me out. So today I have got a long-term review on a light that was sent to me by Foursevens lighting, which is a division of Prometheus lights, and this is the Quark MKIII. Whoops. The Quark is not a light that has been around since, I want to say 2009 is when it was first released, and if I'm not mistaken, it's one of the first mass-produced LED high-powered flashlights, and it's kind of evolved from there in many different forms, many different fashions. And the Quark MKIII, which this is, I think, the let's see, no, it's the QK16L, I think is what this colorway is, which is kind of a Java colored. But what you'll notice about the light, one thing I added to it that came as an accessory is this tail cap. I could push it out if I had a screwdriver and wanted to, and this button would not be recessed. It would be sitting proud of the frame of the light, but I like it because I can set it on the tail cap, set it on the front. It's got a great pocket clip that's not a pocket shredder that's embedded into the light. And this light comes apart a couple of different ways. It uses a 16650 battery, but you can also use a couple of different batteries that they don't really recommend, but they also offer lens kits. So you can buy different lenses for this, kind of like a DIY light. If you wanted to upgrade your lenses, upgrade all your parts, your circuit board, or your emitter board and your circuit board, and all that is set directly on copper, and it's not soldered, so it can be tinkered with, right? It's a overseas light that's imported, made to their specs. Very upgradable. You can even buy a different body that's wider that uses shorter, stubbier batteries. I don't know the advantage of that. I like it the way it came. It's a really nice ergonomical light. It's got knurling all the way around it. So you've got knurling up here, you've got knurling back here, you've got knurling up here at the top. You've got this clicky button that right now that's on, I've got it set because it's programmable, but that's on moonlight mode. Then you've got low, medium, moonlight, low, medium, and then you can double click it and get burst, which is your maximum lumens, which I think your maximum lumens is right at 650 at your burst mode. So there are 4 brightness levels, right? You've got burst, high, medium, and that low. That low is that kind of, I call it hammock mode, reading mode, moonlight mode. So your burst mode's right at 650 lumens. Your high mode is at 300 lumens. Your medium, let's see, that's high, that's 300 lumens. That is low, or moonlight, which is 0.8 lumens, and that's medium, which is 70 lumens. And your runtime, if you're going to run it on high, if you're going to run it on high, you've got 1.5 hours on a full charge. If you run it on low, which is this little moonlight mode, you've got about, I think it's 160 hours. And then this lens is kind of a diffuser lens. They sell, like I say, different lens packs. But with this particular standard lens, you've got about 150 meters throw. The emitter type is a NICA or NICHIA 319A, and then it's an IP8 submersion resistance, splash resistance down to 3 meters drop. It's got O-rings, and it comes with extra O-rings like it did with this cap, and a little lanyard thing if you wanted to put it on there. It's got impact resistance to 1 meter, so you can drop it allegedly to 1 meter. And there's some silicone on the motherboard that helps with shock resistance. And then the little CRI on this bulb is a 4000, so it's a little bit more towards the blue color than the yellow color. Blue white, it's 90 plus. And again, just a cool light. And not only does it have multiple settings, but it's fully programmable. So this light you can program with 6 different settings. You've got one setting that is simply just high plus burst. That's setting 1. Setting 2 is max plus strobe. Setting 3 is medium, then high plus burst. 4, the one we were just looking at, was low, medium, high plus boost. And then 5 is just the reverse, high, medium, low plus burst. And then 6 is the kind of the full Monty, low, medium, high, strobe. So there will be a seizure warning coming up here, SOS, which blinks out SOS, and beacon. So the way you get into programming mode, this was tricky for me. You've got to give it 10 soft pushes, and you've got to get it within 10 seconds. And what happens is it will then blink. Let's see if we can do it. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Whoops, I didn't do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, see now it's blinking. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's on number 4. So if I want to go to number 5, I click it once. Nope, I messed up. All right, hold on, let's do it again. 1, 2, whoop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Alright, so it's in program mode now. So I just stepped through to 5. 4, 5. Step through one more time to 6. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Alright, now I'm going to turn it off. So now we should have low. Whoops. Low. Low, medium, high. Low, medium, high. Okay, so what I gotta do is I gotta go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's 5. 1, 5, 6. Alright, let's do it one more time. I'll promise I'll get this the right way. It's user error. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, whoops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Alright, we're in program mode, so let's go. Alright, so now we've got it on setting 1, which is just high. And then if I click it twice, it's burst. So I've got high and burst only. So that's setting 1. So let's go to setting 2, which is max and strobe. So we'll go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's just going to be low and high. I didn't get it set. Hold on. I'm doing something wrong on cycling at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm getting in mode, but it's not cycling the way I would have thought it would. Alright, so that's 1, 2. So that should be, let's see what we got. So that's 3, which is medium high boost. Alright, I got it now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I go. Alright, this is 6. So this is the big money. Alright, so we got low, medium, whoop. We got low, medium, high, strobe, SOS, and beacon. Which beacon's just what it says. So it's medium, high, strobe, whoops. We got low, that's medium, high, strobe, beacon. So that is how that works. Let's go ahead and program it back to I'm going to go like this 2. Alright, so now we should have medium high, medium high, let's see what it does now. Low, medium, high. Yeah, that's how I like it. So the Focusrite, or Fourseven, I'm sorry, I'm about to do some size comparisons, and I've got a Focusrite to compare it to. So let's look at how this thing sizes up with some other lights, and then I'll tell you the punchline on how affordable this is. So that's the Focusrite, I think it's F3. That is a Mini Warrior. That is a Nightcore EDC 25. And that is a Arcfeld. So it's going to be a little bit longer than the Arcfeld, about the same thinness as the Warrior and the Focusrite. It's going to be a little bit shorter than the EDC 25. But what I find really nice about it is fully upgradable. It's very light. You've got this aluminum body, fully knurled, really high quality materials, fully upgradable, fully functional. Let's get a quick measurement. So without the tail cap, it is going to measure in at right under 4.5 inches. With the tail cap, it's right at 4.5 inches. Like I say, it will use different batteries, but they don't recommend them. The clip is done very well. This tail cap does come out if you like a closer throw. And then that button, you just got to push it soft and then in with a click. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And this 1, That's 2. Let's go to 5. It's 3. This should be 4. And it should be 5. Alright, so that's 5 blinks, so we'll just leave it there. It'll go out in just a second. Let us know that it'll save that setting. Alright, so now we've got high, medium, low. That's low. And then burst. So we got high, high, medium, low, burst. That's burst. Really cool light. This thing retails for right around $85. They are on sale now for $69. They've got a couple of different configurations. They've even got one of these that runs on AA's. I prefer the one that runs on the rechargeable, the 650, because you can have a couple of those and carry them around with you. But this is the Fourseven Quark MKIII. Fantastic light. Really impressed with it. I like it every bit as much as my Focusrite, and it has more features and it costs a lot less money. Now these guys also make Prometheus lights, which are very, very premium, but you can just tell the pocket clip is so much better designed on this knife than some of these others. It just goes in and out of pocket very well. But guys, I appreciate you taking time to watch the video. I always do, anytime you stop by. Please do me a favor, hit the like button, but most importantly, look out for the guy or gal to your left, look out for the guy or gal to your right, look out for each other, go forward with love in your hearts, and choose debate, not hate. I love you all. Peace.